You guys will not believe what I found in the dumpster. It is unreal. I can't believe someone threw this away. Welcome to Flipping and Punching, and today we are going to pull some orders. I'm going to talk about this crazy thing that I found in the dumpster. And just for the record here, I wasn't dumpster diving. I was throwing stuff away, but I'll tell you the story later on. We're going to pull some orders, show you guys what sold. We sold 11 items for $720. And then we are going to give you guys an update in this listing challenge. And then we're going to take you guys for a ride. We're going to head to the auction house and show you guys what we're dropping off and our mission to try to clear out as much stuff as possible. Ultimate goal is for us to free up these rooms in my house so we get a better work area here, and it's going in the right direction. So let's jump into it right now. Just so I'm clear, I know I said I am clearing stuff out in my spare room. I just put the stuff in there because we did a private pick and did some pickup this weekend. So we got some cool things here we're going to be going through in this thing here. This is going to clear up real fast though, but you know, I will tell you these Super Bowl patches are super cool. They're broken down by like each year. So we're gonna get these listed up. I don't know. I'm really debating, since I'm having someone help me list, breaking up these sets of these patches and listing up one by one. Some of these patches can go for like 10 to 15 bucks a piece, while others go for like 30 or 40 bucks. So mostly the newer ones are worth some extra value because a lot of people already have the old ones. But I don't know. I just might break up the sets and list them up. And you know, if there's 50 patches, I list them all up for 50 listings, 20 bucks a patch, that's $1,000. So I don't know. We have to wait and see. But so I'm gonna be working on getting some more items up today for this listing challenge. But let's pull this first order. It's a scale electric car. We had it listed for $29.99, and we took a best offer on it. I had it pulled out from earlier. I was looking at it. We got this car here. It is a Super Snaps Dunlop car. Buyer sent me an offer for 15 bucks. I had this in my store for over a year now. These slot cars, I'm really trying to discount and just move them at this point. So if anyone sends me a reasonable offer, I'll probably accept it. But we got 15 bucks plus shipping on this. Yesterday, me, the wife, and the kid, we went to Animal Kingdom for the whole day. So before I left, I actually had to ship out one item because it was due to ship out yesterday. So I'll post up your picture on the screen here. It's a big item. We sold that battery it's a battery charger for a boat. We picked it up at a recent sale for 50 bucks. We had it listed for 300 and we took an offer for 270 on it. So at $270 plus shipping. So if you guys see stuff like this for boat stuff, pick it up because these could bring big bucks. All right, so next time that sold is a PS3 game. This came in a massive lot. We got a yard sale. I think we have like $5 into it. It is Transformers Fall of the Cybertron. We got $39.99 plus shipping for that. That game sells great for Xbox or 360. So if you guys do see it, make sure you guys go pick it up. So let's talk about this listing challenge. So I did a challenge for the month of January. I'm trying to list the minimum of 300 items worth $20,000 or more, which is a pretty steep task to do for 1 month, especially when I had family in town visiting, and I'm going to be away for about 4 or 5 days. So really puts the extra pressure on. The whole purpose of this process is to make sure that we can push ourselves and get our listings done to really try to improve our business. And it's starting to really pay off because these next items you're going to sell are all from this listing challenge. So we're listing new items up. We're getting some fresh sales from it, which is really starting to pay off. If you guys saw the title of this video is what I found in dumpster. And I have never gone dumpster diving. Let me know here in the comments if you guys have ever gone dumpster diving. But kind of the backstory here is, and I'll talk a little bit more on, but on Christmas Day, I live in a brand new development. And in that development, we actually have a couple dumpsters in our neighborhood. And I went to go throw something in the dumpster because I had an overload of garbage the day of like Christmas or something, because everyone has all kind of, presents and packages thrown there. And I walked to a dumpster and this thing was just sitting on top. I could not believe it when I saw it. Like, not the thing that you would think to find in the dumpster, but I'm going to show you here in a little bit here, but yeah, stay tuned. As I talked about in my last video, I gave my mother-in-law like 30 or 40 pieces of clothing to list. And most of it was this Tennessee stuff. And she's just creating drafts for me, and I'm going through with the drafts when I need them days, and I'm getting them listed there. So I am working with the draft bank, which is nice, but I'm doing all my own listings as well. And this Tennessee stuff's just been selling super hot. So you guys find Nike Dry Fit Tennessee stuff, pick it up. University of Tennessee. We literally listed this up for $49.99 or $59.99. I think we sold it for, what did we get for this? Yeah, we listed this for $59.99 and got an offer within the first like 10 minutes of it up for $47. So $47. If someone sends me an offer within the first like hour of me listing something, I'm going to hold off and just wait to see if I get a better offer. Unless it's like really close in price, I'll just take the money. But we got $47 for this plus shipping. So I about $3 into this item buy cost, plus what it's cost me to have someone list for me right now. So I'm doing really well on all these items. So you guys have seen me sell them in the past. I sold 2 more SpongeBob movie posters. I'll put the pictures up here. They're all rolled up, so I don't want to pull them out and stuff right now at the moment. But for those 2 posters, we get almost $26 for the pair. So I bought at a local flea market. I bought a big box of posters a long time ago. Listed the SpongeBob, like all the banners and stuff. I did have a bunch of other posters I'm just gonna give away to another reseller because I just need the space at this point in time, and I'm never gonna list them. So if I can help someone else out, I'm gonna do it. Every time I go to film, she starts drinking. And yes, my Christmas tree's still up. We're gonna take it down this week. But all right, so next time we actually sold a Tennessee Volunteers shirt. Had it listed for $49.99, and we got an offer for $39, so I took it. This one right here, got $39.99 plus shipping. It is a Nike Dry Fit. These shorts right here, these are Tennessee shorts. I think we got, that is for $50 plus shipping, but we got, I think I took a best offer on that one for like $35 plus shipping. So I kind of messed up on that one. I thought I had it listed for cheaper, and I accepted the offer. I probably would have accepted that low. I just listed up probably about a couple days ago. But anyway, I got $35 plus shipping. Still, all these I paid $3 for, so I'm super happy with. We sold another Nike Dry Fit Tennessee shirt. This one right here, Tennessee Nike Dry Fit Tiger Woods collection. We got $49.99 plus shipping for this. So it is really starting to pay off, this listing challenge. I'm super excited about it because nothing's worse than putting all the time and effort into your business and having not turn out the way you want to turn out. So next time we actually sold a graded sports card. Now, you guys get a little preview because I wasn't planning on showing these yet, but I got a package back from PSA. That's how we've been starting to hit our listing goals here, because these are all, these cards are worth a couple $100 here, but we did sell a Dale Murphy PSA rookie card. We got a grade of 8 on it. So there it is, Dale Murphy PSA grade 8. Had it listed for $100. Someone sent me an offer for like $95, so I accepted. So $95 plus shipping, and this came in a big lot. I bought it at a yard sale. I bought a huge thing of sports cards for like $500, and we got thousands of dollars in sports cards. So I just got to sell a couple of these, make back my $500 plus my $20 to get these cards graded per card at PSA. So I have $20 into it plus some change. So, but yeah, I'm gonna do really well on these. So I sell a couple more cards, make back. Maybe I probably got like PSA fees plus the cards. I probably got like $640 invested in this, and we just got back a sixth of it right there. So super happy about that. We sold another Tennessee shirt. This is actually part of the Tiger Woods collection. Right here, striped shirt. We got $59.99 plus shipping on that. So I am really happy how this is all turning out so far. My main goal is to clear stuff out. So we are actually going to be taking a load to the local auction house today. Mostly big items that I don't want to sell on eBay, and I don't want to spend the time to put it on Facebook Marketplace and have it sit here for a month or two. So we're going to blow some stuff out and get a couple different items. Some like a paintball gun, a BB gun, stuff I don't want to really put on eBay at the moment. And then we got like a blow mold and this like, and we're finally getting rid of that Mario piece too. That Lego Mario set. So, but yeah, I'll show you that here in a second. All right, next time we sold is over here in A7. Right here. The pedometer. We bought this at that church sale where like they were raising money for the minister's wife who had cancer, and it was fill a bag. Gave him $40 for all the stuff I got. Sold this for $35 plus shipping. So super happy for that. I didn't think it was a sale for that much. I listed for $35. And I was hoping to get 25, but hey, I'm happy. All right, so we had another big sale. We sold 2 slot cars, the same buyer, for 140 bucks. So we got this one here, the pink car, an MRRC. That's the Ferrari there. We actually got a total of 140 bucks for the pair. These keep paying off over and over again. Do not pass up slot cars, you get them cheap. Next time we sold, we actually picked up at a yard sale a couple months back. Actually, probably like 6 months ago for $1. It was a brand new Malibu glass set. I knew it was gonna sell, I just didn't know when. So we got $1 plus shipping for that. All right, so I had this BB gun. I picked up at a yard sale for maybe $1 or $2. It's a $1 BB gun. Don't really want to sell it on eBay, and I'm just gonna take it to the auction house. At this local auction house, I sold pellet guns. I have sold other types of stuff like this in the past. It's done really well, so we're gonna test the water, see how this does. My dad picked up this paintball gun at a garage sale for $5 with the canister. At this point in time, I think it may do well at the auction house. I'm gonna try it out. I've sold a bunch of air pistols and other things at the local auction house, and they've done well. So hopefully these will do well as too. So I'm gonna test the water with this. It's only $5, so not gonna really lose anything on it. All right, so I'm gonna take this firefighter helmet. I paid $10 for it. I'm gonna test the water, kind of see how firefighter stuff can do there. Got these reproduction Coca-Cola signs, been laying around for a while. Just when I'm gone. Got this Marvel bowling ball. I really don't want to ship this. Give me like $5 for it. I thought it was super cool. So if I get 10, 15 bucks at the auction, I'd be happy. Got this awesome zombie hand blow mold. Super cool. But we really had no room for it. And my Papa Punch is supposed to take that to Pennsylvania with him, and it didn't fit in his car with all the other stuff he had, so I gotta take the auction. Paid $5 for it, so I'm not gonna lose money on that one. Got this vintage mannequin. This is from the 60s, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So we used to use it for clothing. I stopped selling clothing there for a while. I just started back up, and I prefer the flat lay over the mannequin. It actually saves me more time. So this is just taking up space in the house. This year is about clearing stuff out and have a good working space. So this is up in our extra spare office, which is my wife's office, which I took over. My goal this year is to clear out, which I've cleared out a lot of it already. So it looks 10 times better. All right, so I keep talking about this amazing thing I found in the dumpster. On my road, they're building a bunch of houses across the street from me. You guys probably seen it progression through my picking and punching videos as I'm talking. You can always see the background, how the houses have been complete field to now being built up. On Christmas Eve, we had an overabundance of garbage. Because we had a bunch of family members over there, so I had a couple garbage bags to throw out. My garbage didn't pick up for a couple days later. My garbage can was full, so I walked over to the dumpster to throw the stuff in the dumpster. And lo and behold, I couldn't believe this was just thrown right on top. So let me show you. Look at her. She's absolutely stunning. So if you guys aren't familiar, this is actually a store display. They put the M&Ms in here, and then people would buy them. They put a sign on them. But the thing is super cool. The issue is it has a big scratch on the side, but still super cool. Not gonna lie, she's kind of sexy, all right? Now, all joking aside though, I would literally keep this for myself and put it in my office if I had room. I think these M&M displays are super cool. I actually bought one for my half sister, like 10 years ago. They actually put it on the front door, rang the door when she opened up, and she was like 4 years old or something. She was so happy that she got it. She still has it to this day. But anyway, I paid $25 for that one back in the day. For those that don't know, these are a huge bolo. These sell anywhere from $150 to $250. So this one with the damage, I really originally was gonna put it on Facebook Marketplace and sell it locally, not on eBay. Hoping to get 150 bucks for it. But because of the big scratch on the side, I probably gonna get about 100 bucks or maybe 75 bucks for it. And it's gonna take up space. It's really big. At this point in time, you guys know I'm trying to clear stuff out. So I decided to take it to the auction house. I have $0 into it. So you know what? If I get 30 bucks, 40 bucks, 50 bucks for it, someone's get a good deal and I move it, it's free merchandise. And I'm already going there anyway. So why not? So I'm hoping to get 50 bucks at the auction for it. Super cool piece. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. Can't beat that store display though. Super cool. All right, so I'm at the storage warehouse here, and you guys probably saw my picking video where I picked up this Lego display set of Mario, and unfortunately I paid 75 bucks for it. I paid too much for it. All right, guys, you guys saw me with the video when I purchased this. Paid 75 bucks for this thing. And unfortunately, the pop is busted. I didn't have the best service there. When I did, eBay wasn't really getting eBay comps at the time, so I did a Google lens search on it. And I saw some go for, listed on Google for a couple $100. I've sold displays in the past before for a couple $100. So I thought that was a good deal. I let my judgment, I let my heart of video games and Legos and nostalgia pretty much take over. And unfortunately, I made a bad buy. So I paid 75 bucks for this. If I get 40 or 50 bucks back, I'll be happy. You guys see this? Does have a little damage there. Does have a busted top right there. It's missing a couple pieces, but you know, it's still a really cool piece. So, all right, time to head to auction house. All right, so I still haven't found my board yet, but I still have this other one here. So let's get a listing update where I'm at. All right, so last time we left off was the 7th. So we got on the 8th, we did 12 items for $625. On Tuesday, we did 1 item for $50. On Tuesday, I got a call for a private pick. So I spent most of my day doing that. And on Wednesday was a family day. We took the kid to, with the wife, to Animal Kingdom, and I did nothing. So yeah, this is gonna put me behind a little bit here. And now I'm starting to realize that this challenge may be a little bit more difficult than what I expected, but that's okay. I'm gonna overcome. I'm gonna hit my goals one way or another. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, what I gotta do. So yeah, I mean, today I've been doing good. I got 11 items up for $455, so the day's still down. So, I mean, the day hasn't been done yet, so I was able to get caught up on at least one listing, but let's see where we are overall. All right, so right now I should have 100 listings because yesterday was day 10, and I'm at 68. I'm down 32 listings. So, yeah, I don't know. I got a whatnot tomorrow. I'm doing a whatnot on Friday, so that's going to hinder me a little bit. Maybe I won't go sourcing on Saturday and just... All right, so as I'm ending this video, I realized, as you guys saw in the video, my doorbell just rang. And I had some door-to-door salesmen come to my house, try to sell me some crap, some solar. And unfortunately, I forgot to record the rest part of my listing challenge. So at this point in time, we are at $5,567 listed. And we are supposed to be at $6,450 at this point. So we're what, $800 or $900 behind, which is okay. I expected that. You know, there's gonna be times in this listing challenge where we're gonna be up, it's gonna be down, we're gonna be ahead, we're gonna be below. I have some work to do, and I gotta put together a plan because this next week's gonna be more difficult than the previous week because I'm going to the Trash to Cash meetup, and then we're going to do the Webster Flea Market again, and I have a podcast to do for the reseller locker room. Yeah, I gotta figure something out here, so it's about to get a little rough. And now there's a backhoe going down my road, so thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, make sure you guys keep flipping and punching.